they take money off of the unused balance every month after 1 year of inactivity.
I don't know whether I've just been out of the loop, but I am completely shocked by that. I didn't think that happened. How can that be a thing?
280-1035. Samantha, what's your take on this?
So I don't shop at that particular mall because I have found that out as well.
You know the mall that Drew speaks of?
Yeah, it's actually not that one, but I'm sure it's not all that uncommon.
It might be. So if you buy gift cards from the actual store rather than the mall itself, they don't do that.
No, you don't.
Did you ever find out why they did that?
Something about, well, actually I didn't ask the mall. My friend just said, well, because prices of the items go up and you've only paid X, and that price of the items is now going up to whatever Y.
Yeah, I'm not sure that still even logically makes sense, because then the malls have the advantage of you paying more for the exact same item like a year later, because you could have made your gift card go further and actually take more merchandise out of the establishment.
Yeah,
So I'm not sure your friend was on the right track with that, Samantha, but it
good
does.
thought.
Yeah, I mean, well, it does show that this isn't necessarily like a unique situation. Derek, what's your take?
That's actually against the law. If you spend your money, they can't take it from you. In other words, let's suppose you let the card run for 100 months, and they would tell you it was went to zero. They have to give you your $100 back.
Are you a lawyer?
No, but I got that from a lawyer. What I'd like to have done is I'd like to have let it run out for 100 months. I'd like to have the fight with whoever's on the other side of the desk about how they're taking money that was paid and that they owe.
Derek, if you're going to start a class action lawsuit, we're lazy, but we will jump on board to get a part of that action.
Call Nat and Drew anytime. 604-280